Hello, my name is Ivan. I'm an engineering science student at CSU Bakersfield. I'm also an intern for the Fab Lab at CSUB. Today I'm going to show you how to make a structure out of just paper and some paper clips. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a regular piece of printer paper, 8 by 11 I believe, take it and fold it in half. Now if you have scissors, you could use scissors to cut it in half, or if you don't, you could just use your hands to flatten out the seam a few times on both sides. And this will actually allow you to rip this paper in half. It doesn't have to be clean, but you're going to take that and you're going to roll it into a cylinder. So it's this, and then either using paper clips like I'm using or some tape, you'll staple it down into shape, and you'll build this little cylinder that I have here. So as you can see, I built quite a few of these little cylinders. I think I made about 10, and I'm going to use 2 regular sheets of paper that I haven't cut or done anything to, and build that into a tower that's going to hold this water bottle at the top. You want your base to be a little spread out so that it holds the weight evenly distributed across it. Put your paper on top. You just want to make sure that these are all as stable as you could get them. They're paper, so of course they're not going to be fully stable. And then you put your last piece on top, and then stack your bottle up on top. So as you can see, I can let it go and it stays. Now if I pan up, you see my bottle's right there. So as you can see, this is still standing, and what we want to do with this is have you guys try to either recreate this or make something way bigger or something heavier on top, and then tag us at CSU Bakersfield on Instagram and let us see how you guys did.